Hello again. Thank you for watching and studying math with me. This topic is about solving linear equations. This means the exponent on the variable of interest is 1. We'll study other equations later in this course. An equation, of course, has an equal sign, and our objective is to solve an equation for a number. Now, some equations are always true. They're called an identity. For example, 4x plus 5 is always equal to 5 plus 4x. It really doesn't matter what x is. We will study trig identities later. Sometimes there are equations that have no solutions. They are called contradictions. For example, 4x plus 2 is never equal to 4x plus 3. You would subtract the 4x from both sides, and how often is 2 equal to 3? It's never equal to 3, so there would be no solution. The kind we most often encounter are called conditional equations. And these equations are only true for certain values of x. The approach to solving a conditional equation is to simplify, collect like terms, isolate the term containing the variable of interest, and solving. The primary tool is maintaining equality by doing the same thing to both sides of the equal sign. Let's do a couple of examples. Here, we are going to subtract x from both sides, maintaining the equality. And now we have that 2x plus 4 has to equal, these will cancel, minus 6. Now we're going to subtract 4 from both sides, and we will have 2x now is equal to, the 4's on that side will cancel, and that will be minus 10. And then we're going to divide both sides by 2, and we will find that x is equal to negative 5. That is our solution. Or we can look at this problem. We will distribute and we will add 2x to both sides, maintaining the equality, and so we will have 10 is equal to 3x minus 8. We will add the 8 to both sides, and we will get 3x equals 18, and so the solution here would be x is equal to 6. Move that up so we can see it just a little bit. So x is equal to 6 in that case. Now, a special kind of equation is a proportion, and proportions involve a ratio. So the quotient a over b is also called a ratio of a to b. An equation stating that two ratios are equal is called a proportion. And we're going to discuss these more in the trigonometric section and also in chapter 18. But for now, we're going to solve one of these. And here is what we have as an example. So the ratio of 2 to 5 equals the ratio of x to 30. Now here we're going to do the same thing to both sides, and we're going to multiply all the way through by a constant that will clear the denominator. Now I have 5 and I have 30, so if I multiply both sides by 30, I maintain the equality. So 30 times 2 over 5 is equal to 30 times x over 30. On this side, those cancel one with another. I have x. On this side, 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 36 times. So x is equal to 12 in this example. Now in class we will do several problems, but serious students will carefully read the section and examples and do as many problems as possible. Until then, remember, time is precious, each day must count. Do the math, it will make you strong. Take care and see you in class.